Most AI note takers promise easy meetings, but end up clunky, distracting, and locked behind paid transcription, leaving you juggling between listening and typing. That's where the Comulytic Note Pro really stands out. It offers unlimited free transcription right out of the box, with no monthly fees or usage limits. On top of that, it's powered by advanced AI like GPT-5 and Google Gemini, going beyond basic transcription to deliver smart summaries, deeper insights, and meaningful analysis. On top of that, it's powered by GPT-5 and Google Gemini, going beyond basic transcription to deliver smart summaries, deeper insights, and meaningful analysis. However, please note that advanced AI features such as AI Advice, Deep Dive Suite, Unlimited Abstracts, and others require an optional subscription, starting from only $10 a month. It doesn't just convert speech to text, it actually understands the conversation, turning long discussions into clear, structured, and actionable notes. After each recording, the app automatically highlights key points, decisions, and action items, making everything easy to review without extra effort. But that's just a quick glimpse of it. Let's see how it actually performs in real use and break down the full experience. So, let's get started. Right out of the box, the Comulytic Note Pro feels surprisingly premium. It's just 3 millimeters thin, built with an aluminum body, and features a small 0.78-inch display protected by Gorilla Glass. It's about the size of a credit card, which means it slips easily into a wallet, pocket, or even behind a phone. What really stands out is how unnoticeable it is. This isn't a bulky gadget that gets in the way. It feels more like something you carry every day without thinking about it. For students, professionals, or even content creators, that portability makes a big difference. The included magnetic accessories add extra flexibility. It can attach to the back of a phone, which is useful for recording calls or quick voice notes on the go. It's a simple idea, but it adds real convenience in everyday use. Now, the best part of the design isn't just how it looks, it's how easy it is to use. Press the side button once and the recording starts instantly. No unlocking the phone, no opening apps, no navigating menus. That one-click experience removes all friction. In real life, this matters a lot. Meetings don't always start on time, and important conversations don't wait for apps to load. This device makes sure nothing gets missed. When it comes to recording quality, the Comulytic Note Pro performs reliably in most real-world situations. It uses dual MEMS microphones, a vibration sensor, and AI noise reduction to capture clear audio. In in-person meetings, voices come through sharp and detailed within about a 5-meter range. Even in environments with background noise like cafes or shared offices, the AI does a solid job of keeping the main conversation clear. This makes it especially useful for business meetings, classroom lectures, interviews, or brainstorming sessions. Instead of worrying about writing everything down, the focus can stay on the conversation itself. However, phone call recording works a bit differently. The device attaches to your phone using the magnetic case, allowing it to capture conversations directly. Once attached, you simply press record and continue your call as usual. For best results, using speakerphone helps capture both sides of the conversation clearly, making the recording and transcription more accurate. It's a practical setup that gets the job done and is useful for reviewing important calls later. For in-person meetings, the experience is even more seamless. Just place the device on a table or keep it in your pocket, press the record button, and it starts capturing everything instantly. Voices come through clearly, even in small group settings, making it ideal for meetings, discussions, or interviews. So in simple terms, whether it's a face-to-face meeting or a phone call, the Comulytic Note Pro handles both scenarios effectively. While phone recording may not be perfect in every situation, it's still useful enough to capture conversations and turn them into actionable notes. This is where the Comulytic Note Pro really separates itself from basic voice recorders. It uses OpenAI whisper speech recognition for transcription and combines it with powerful AI systems like GPT-5 and Google Gemini for summaries, insights, and analysis. The standout feature here is unlimited free transcription. That's a huge advantage, especially when most competing devices charge ongoing costs. But again, please keep in mind that some advanced AI features like AI advice, deep dive suite, unlimited abstracts, and others cost a small monthly fee of only $10. Another thing worth highlighting is its transcription performance across different languages. During meetings with mixed language use, the device handled multiple languages smoothly, maintaining strong accuracy and keeping the context intact. This makes it especially useful for international meetings, multilingual teams, or anyone working across different regions. This makes it especially useful for business meetings, classroom lectures, interviews, or brainstorming sessions. Instead of worrying about writing everything down, the focus can stay on the conversation itself. But it's not just about transcription. The AI actually understands the conversation. After each recording, the app generates structured summaries that highlight key points, decisions, and action items. For example, a 30-minute meeting gets turned into a quick overview that can be reviewed in under a minute. That saves a huge amount of time, especially for busy professionals who deal with multiple meetings every day. There's also an Ask AI feature, which adds another layer of usefulness. Questions like, "What were the main concerns?" or "What did we agree on?" can be asked, and the system pulls answers directly from the recording. This makes it incredibly useful for sales professionals, consultants, freelancers, or anyone dealing with clients. It doesn't just store information, it helps make sense of it. Over time, it can even track patterns in conversations, helping identify client preferences or important details that might otherwise be forgotten. Battery life is another area where this device performs really well. It offers up to 45 hours of continuous recording and over 100 days of standby time. In real-world use, it easily lasts through a full week of meetings without needing a recharge. That kind of reliability means one less thing to worry about. Charging takes about 90 minutes, which is fairly standard. However, the device uses a proprietary magnetic charging cable instead of USB-C. You don't have to carefully align or insert a plug. The magnets guide the cable into place automatically, making it super quick and convenient, especially when you're in a hurry. On the storage side, it comes with 64 gigabytes of internal memory along with unlimited cloud backup. That's more than enough for heavy daily use. Wi-Fi connectivity is another strong feature. File transfers are significantly faster than Bluetooth, and recordings can sync while still in progress. This makes the entire workflow smoother and more efficient, especially when dealing with long recordings. More interesting part is that the Comulytic Note Pro works independently of any specific platform, so whether the meeting is on Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or even an in-person discussion, it captures everything without needing special integrations or permissions. This makes it more convenient than relying on built-in recording features from online meeting platforms. Those often require host access, stable internet, or manual setup, and sometimes recordings fail or get restricted. With this device, recording happens instantly and reliably, no matter the platform or situation, giving a more flexible and stress-free experience overall. Everything is accessible through the app, so there's no stress about losing important files. The Comulytic Note Pro delivers on its main promise. It makes recording conversations simple, fast, and genuinely useful. It removes the stress of note-taking and replaces it with something smarter and more efficient. With unlimited transcription, powerful AI features, excellent battery life, and a compact design, it offers real value where it matters most. So don't wait. Click the link in the video description and use our promo code TechFluencer to get a discount at checkout. That's it for today. Which feature stood out to you and made this different from other note takers? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.